boys.
Yeah, these are the good ones.
Yeah.
They're alright. If we had the heads off, I'd show you a couple things. That's good. So the goal here, obviously, is going to be displayed at PRI, right? So what we want to do is there's going to be an aftermarket front cover on this engine, and then we're going to have an intake manifold, but no cold side, right?
Okay.
So the main thing is to really just make a display piece that, we don't want to put the turbos right here, right? So just something that leaves this front area kind of open, but you pretty much have free reign, Okay. What comes to mind as far as turbo placement?
You think maybe bringing them down? Instead of actually going higher than the header, I don't know exactly how it would sit, but maybe like bringing them down here.
That would be fine.
Like that, having the downpipes probably come up on this side.
Yeah, I like that.
Wastegate would be here. We could probably have wastegate off of here, and then just have the wastegate come up with the other one as well.
Yeah, so just kind of like and then cut.
Yeah, and just do a nice little cut, or even I can get some nice teardrops. I can get them from Tycon guys.
Okay.
Just
I like
so
that.
it'll look good. Alright, what's going on, guys? Aldowelds here out of Houston, Texas. We specialize in automotive performance and fabrication. We do a lot of Ford platform stuff. Pretty much well known for the S550 Mustangs. Some of the S550 Mustangs that we've built, they're one of the fastest. We've broken 7-second barrier stock motor stuff. We've gone 200 miles an hour with some of that stuff as well. That's pretty much where we come from. Based off the Ford platform. I also know Brian with Late Model Engines. I've done some LT, LS stuff that I utilize him for, and we've built a relationship, so he reached out to us and gave us the opportunity to do a pretty much a turbo kit fabrication for this engine that they're doing for Enginelabs giveaway at PRI, the performance racing industry. They're basically going to be building this engine on the floor at PRI in their booth from scratch. They're just literally going to start from a machine block and parts and everything. They're just going to put it all together and literally give it away. So we got the opportunity to be able to do the fabrication side of things. So I was provided from Brian with Cook's headers, Cook's material, precision turbo and engine / Turbonetics turbos that I have to make work on here. And so we're just going to work our magic. We're going to try to basically have a turbo kit that can provide, over 1,000 horsepower, which that should not be an issue. Twin turbo 6475s, they're going to make all the power. So follow us along. We're going to pretty much start from scratch from what you see here on this engine stand. We're going to mount some turbos on it. I already have an idea. Usually that takes me a day or two to kind of figure out, but once I got this set up the way it is now, it came to mind. I have the vision. Hopefully it'll come out the way I intend it to. Turbos are going to sit a little low, roughly around here, kind of kicked off at an angle or whatnot. Downpipes are going to come towards the top. That way it makes for cool pictures, cool videos whenever they do put it on the engine dyno. So follow us along. I got some parts here that were provided by some companies, awesome companies, people that I use on a daily basis. So Mavin Performance provided us with their billet drain flanges, and off those drain flanges we can make mounts to the turbos. That way the headers won't be holding all the weight of the turbo. So we're going to make some clean mounts with that. You guys are going to see that. Monkey Fab Fabrication provided us with some of their billet T4 flanges, which is a T4 flange transitioned into a 3-inch inner diameter. So we're going to build some nice pipes off of that. We got precision turbo and engine wastegates and blow-off valves, DEI turbo blankets, and a few other things. You know, Stainless Brothers / Tycon Industries provided us with some other transitions, O2 bungs, etc., etc. So yeah, stay tuned, check it out. We're gonna have full footage of us assembling it, pretty much cutting, grinding, welding, mounting, all that good stuff that you guys want to see. Stay tuned with it. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook. We'll be showing the giveaway, I guess, link for, yeah, right? We'll be showing the giveaway link for that on their social media platforms, and from there you guys can literally go and pretty much sign up and try to win this deal. They're going to be giving it away after it's dynoed. It's going to be a little bit after PRI, but stay tuned. You guys will check it out. You'll see us cutting and doing all that fun stuff on here, and we'll go from there. All right, appreciate you guys.